everyone! For today's video, we're gonna talk about this particular bag right here. So this is the Gucci Ophidia belt bag. So it does have a belt right here. And I'm just basically gonna talk about the pros and cons of this bag, what fits, and some modeling shots at the end of this video. So if you wanna know what this bag is all about, then please keep on watching. Alright, so belt bags, fanny packs, bum bags are really in and on trend right now. A lot of fashion houses have released their own version. So this one is from Gucci, you have another one from Louis Vuitton, and another one from Chanel. Fendi does have one as well, Balenciaga, what else? YSL? Yeah, YSL has one too, and other brands like sporty brands like Fila. Now I think belt bags haven't been out of trend. I've always thought that this type of bag is a classic. It's been around for many years now, and to be honest, I was quite hesitant buying myself a belt bag because I haven't owned one even during my childhood. In my country, belt bags are usually perceived as a tindera, if you know what I mean. If you are a Filipino, you know what the tindera is. Tindera is like a saleswoman, but from a sari-sari store or from a wet market, or what we call here is a palengke. So usually they do have belt bags on their waists, and that's where they put all the money, basically all the sales that they got for the day. My husband was actually joking when I bought this bag that I look like a palenquera, tindera. I just told him it's Gucci, baby, it's Gucci. To be honest, I thought about getting this bag long and hard before I actually purchased it, just because I don't know if it looks good on me, being, you know, a curvier type of woman. I don't know if it looks good on me wearing it on the waist, but I do love wearing this across the body, like a, you know, a tight type of crossbody bag. Plus, I really love this print from Gucci. I love the Ophidia line. It's very classic, so I decided to get mine from the Gucci fashion house. So let's move on to the overview of the bag. I know I've already featured this on one of my videos. So it looks like this. So you have the resin type of GG logo right there. You have a zipper in the front. This one is really functional. I usually put my lipsticks in here, but I will show you guys later on what fits inside this bag. So it features a gold hardware, and it's just a zipper opening and closing. So that's how it looks like inside right there. It is lined with like a suede type of lining in the color beige, and it does have one pocket right there in the back, and it has the Gucci leather stamp right there. It says Gucci made in Italy, and on the sides you have tabs right there, leather tabs, and on the back it looks like that. This is the loop that the belt goes into, and it does feature the webbing, the classic red and green webbing from Gucci, and the material is like a coated canvas. And I really love the zipper detail right here. It says Gucci. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really cute and really tiny. So that's how that looks like, and it does feature the belt right here, made of the same colored leather. It has the same leather trimmings. So it just features the plain gold buckle right there. It has two belt loops, and it originally has 9 holes, but I got mine punched with additional 2 holes right there. If you can see, It's a little bit smaller than the original hole. I got this done in the Gucci store itself. They do add holes in their belt. So this type of belt bag, since it does come with a separate belt, you can actually pick your size. So I got mine in the size 95. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but it says here 95/38. So that's the size that I got because I really wanted to be able to use it as a crossbody. Alright, so moving on to the pros and cons of this bag. Let's talk about the cons first so we can end on a positive note. So the first con is that it tilts forward. I will have to demonstrate that to you when I do my modeling shots later on. But basically, if you wear this, especially around your waist, and you have stuff inside, especially if you have your cell phone inside, which does weigh down the bag, it tilts like that. It doesn't really wear straight like that. It's not really a deal breaker for me, but it gets kind of annoying, especially when I look at myself like in the bathroom mirror and I see that it's tilting forward. It looks like that in the front, and it sometimes looks like you have a lot of stuff inside even though you don't. And the second and the last con for this bag is that this one has no bigger size. As far as I know, this is the biggest one that they have in this line. To be honest, for me, this one is the perfect size, especially since it is a belt bag. You don't want to like overwhelm your whole frame with just the belt bag itself. But I think it will be a good thing if you have a bigger size of this one for all the other girls or boys who likes to carry a lot more. Now on to the pros. The very first pro that I liked about this was it is such a classic. I was debating between this one and the logo one, like the full leather type one. I will just insert a picture here. And while that one looks classic and like more modern, I like this one better because I think classic pieces are very timeless and it won't ever go out of style for many more years to come. And of course, this one has sizes, so that is one of the major reasons. And another pro is that it fits all my essentials, like not my everyday essentials, but at least all my essentials for like a short errand or a dinner out, if I'm going somewhere that I don't need to bring a lot of stuff. So this one fits everything that I need. Another pro for me is among all the high-end like fashion houses, Gucci has one of the cheapest ones. Like if you compare this to the Louis Vuitton bum bag one, is very classic. I really like how it looks as well, and also the functionality. This one is way cheaper. Plus, it can be worn in a lot of ways. It is a very versatile piece, which brings me to my next pro. Since the belt right here is detachable, you can actually use this just as a clutch bag or as a carry-all in your bigger bags. And at the same time, you can use the belt alone. So since you can wear this as a belt bag and also as a clutch, you can transition easily from daytime to nighttime looks, which also brings me to my next pro. Since you can use it in a lot of different ways, it's like you're buying a 2-in-1 product, which actually gives you the bang for your buck and also gives you a very high cost per wear. My next pro would be this one has sizing. As I've mentioned a while ago, you can choose whatever size that will fit you best. It goes, I think, from 80 to 105. Plus, aside from that, since it is a true belt, you can add more holes if you wanted to. And lastly, of course, since it is a belt bag, I really love the hands-free feature of this one. If you have tired shoulders or an injury on your shoulders, you can easily wear it on your waist and not be weighed down by all the stuff that you bring with you every day. So I think this one is a win-win. I don't have to worry about the security of my bag. I don't have to worry about it getting snatched from my hands or whatever because it's already strapped in my waist or on my body. Alright, so let's move on to what fits inside this bag. Now, I will first put everything that I usually carry when I use this bag. So the first one is this one. This is a compact from Chanel. Sometimes when I use a smaller bag, I just bring with me a compact so that I can do my touch-ups, and it also has a mirror in it. So it goes right there. And also some lip products. So right now I'm using on my lips is this one. This is from MAC. It's in the color Mer, M-E-H-R, and it goes inside as well. And also a lip gloss from Chanel. This one is in the number 119. It goes in there as well. Also, I always bring with me a pack of tissues. So since I have a smaller bag, I will be packing a smaller pack of tissues as well. It goes right there. And also a smaller version of an alcohol. It goes right there. The next one would be, of course, my wallet. So I don't know if I've already raved about this a lot of times in my channel, but this is the Rosalie coin purse, and this is my go-to like small wallet for my small bags. I love this wallet right here. So it goes right there also. It looks like that. And of course, I will be needing my keys. So I'm currently using my 6-ring key holder from Louis Vuitton. So it just goes right in there as well. So it looks like that. And of course, I will be needing my phone. So I've already upgraded my phone, guys, at last. So this one is the Samsung Note 9. So it goes in there as well. Hold on. I will just have to arrange everything. So I've already arranged it. So it just looks like that. So you have the phone here, the compact, 6-ring key holder, the alcohol, the lip gloss on top, and on the back you have the Rosalie coin purse, and also a pack of tissues right there. I didn't utilize the slip pocket in the back and also the front pocket, but you can easily put like lipsticks or smaller things in the front pocket right here. It is very functional compared to the pocket of the Palm Springs Mini. So it's right there. And at the back, no, I usually don't carry a card holder. I usually like to carry like a bigger wallet like the Rosalie coin purse, because I do still carry cash on a daily basis. That's everything that I need and usually what I carry when I use this bag. Alright, so let's say you don't have a Rosalie coin purse with you and you are used to using a card holder. So I have here a card holder from Coach. This one fits easily in the slip pocket at the back right there. And I still retained my cell phone, a pack of tissues, and a compact wallet right there. So I have here my, what do you call this? My clay. Just in case you have like extra cards and you use your clay for that. And you have your house keys. I don't have my car keys right here right now, but let's just say you have some keys in your clay. And this one fits inside as well. That. And of course, you wanted to bring with you a lip product or two. Let's just say, where's my, oh. And the alcohol is still in the front pocket right here, and also the lipstick from MAC. Let's just say you wanted to bring with you a lip gloss as well. Let's put it in the front pocket so you won't lose it in the bag. So looks like that. And what else can you put inside? Let's say you wanted to bring with you a comb. So this one is from Miniso. Let's say you wanted to bring with you a pair of sunnies. This won't fit, obviously, but if you take out your sunglasses and you put it in like what do you call this, a pouch. This one is from Firmo. I don't have the Ray-Ban pouch. I don't think they give out one, but Anyway, let's just say you have a pouch of sunnies. You can put it on top right here. So that's how it looks like, and you can still actually zip it up. It does get a little heavy when you have it stuffed, but what bag doesn't, right? So that's how it looks like, fully stuffed to the brim. Alright, so I have here a full-size wallet. This is the Emily wallet from Louis Vuitton. Let's just see if it fits inside this bag. No, it doesn't. It's too long. So I highly recommend a smaller wallet for this one. And I have here my mini pochette. I am currently using this one, so it has stuff inside. Let's just see if it fits. I think it fits. Hold on. There you go. So a mini pochette fits, and it does have, I will just remove all the other small stuff right here, assuming that this is already inside your mini pochette. So that's how it looks like with the mini pochette inside. You still have space. So you're gonna need your wallet. Let's put it in the back side right there. And maybe your keys. So the clay fits right there. Cell phone. I don't know if this will still fit. Yeah, it does fit. The phone still fits. So it looks like so. And maybe you want to bring a pair of sunglasses with you. You can put it on top of the bag like so, and still close it. So let's just say you're gonna travel and you wanted to bring a belt bag with you. Of course, you don't need your keys. So let's take out the clay. So I'm gonna keep the mini pochette in there, and also your cell phone. So this one I'm gonna take out as well, because if you have the Louis Vuitton passport holder, it does have card slots right here. So let's just say you're gonna put your card slots in here. So this one fits in the bag as well, like so. There you go. So what else? Yeah, of course you're gonna need your sunnies. So it looks like that. And can we still close it? Yeah. Alright, so it still closes, and it doesn't really bulk up. Looks like so. It fits everything. It's perfect for traveling, perfect for running an errand, perfect for just, you know, a night out with the girls or a date night. So that's it, guys. That's everything that I have for you today. I hope I've helped anyone who is eyeing this cutie right here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you are new to my channel, please do click the subscribe button below. Also click the notification bell beside it so you will be notified whenever I upload videos. And also follow me on Instagram at Personal Obsession. Have a great day, guys, and take care. Bye!